Welcome to another Rolled in Reacts episode. This customer used some hot glue to stop their hubcaps from rattling. Customer states, belt does not want to retract. And this customer states, slight wobble to steering wheel. And this customer came in because they stated noise from underneath the car. It ended up being a bad wheel bearing, but the mechanic also found this. And this customer came in for a filter change, but did not mention anything about this. Tell me a hometown taxi just rolled in without telling me a hometown taxi just rolled in. And this customer had their power steering fixed recently, but still complains about the wheel feeling kinda heavy. Customer states, drove into ditch because I tried to not hit a mouse on the road. And this customer came in because apparently they had white smoke coming out of the exhaust, despite recently having changed the oil. Customer states, was driving down the road when the rear end just locked up. And this customer was trying to document their airbag light coming on when this happened. This customer last had their oil changed 51,000 miles ago, despite having a prepaid maintenance plan. Customer states, knocking sound from engine bay.
Who is it?
And this customer managed to fill their engine with washer fluid through the dipstick tube. The customer states that their AC does not get cold. The customer bought this car last winter and did not know that the car came without an AC. Customer states, squeaky noises coming from my brakes. And this mechanic was just trying to check the oil. This customer had just installed some new brakes and misplaced the caliper bracket holder and used a zip tie instead. They also seem to have saved on lube. And this customer had installed some new extra lights by themselves. And this customer states, I hit a big rock. Yeah, pretty small rock. This customer came in to get their wheels balanced. And this Chrysler 300 came in for an airbag recall. The mechanic had a little bit of trouble getting into the car because it was quite full. Customer states, something's wrong with my engine, the engine light keeps coming on. And this customer had apparently installed a new exhaust all by themselves. This customer left their car in front of the shop for a regular oil change, but when the mechanic started it up, the car caught on fire. Luckily, no one was hurt. Customer states, "My car feels sluggish when accelerating. Can you check it out?" Customer states, "Every time I start it up, it sounds like it's gonna go 100 miles an hour. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and until next time.